Welcome! In front of me I have Halo solar light, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Halo Phone application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Halo Phone application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. And to do that, we need to open the settings on our iPhone. So find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called the Bluetooth and tap on it. And here you will see the solar light on the list of my devices. Next to it, there should be info icon. Select it. And on this page, make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. If you're missing this option, because it's possible you're missing this option, close the settings. Find the Halo Phone application. Tap on the icon to open it. Tap on mine. Select the solar light from the list of devices. And then wait until it's done connected. Tap on message notice. And turn off the message notice or turn it on. Basically, we need to disable it and then enable it again. If it was turned on, you will need to disable it and then turn it on. If it was turned off, enable it and then disable it and enable it. Quite confusing. Basically, turn it off and turn it on again. And once you turn it on, you should see the list of apps right here. And also, after a couple of seconds, you should see some pop-ups about permissions on the screen. And once you see the pop-ups, allow all of the required permissions. And once you do, you can close the settings, or rather the app, and go back to settings. Bluetooth, of course. Tap on the info icon next to solar light, and now this option should be here. Make sure it is enabled. Once it is, go back to the main page of settings. Scroll down, tap on apps. Here find the Halo Phone application. Tap on it to select it. And on this page, find the Bluetooth option and make sure it is enabled. Once it is, close the settings, open the Halo Phone. Tap on mine, select your solar light from the list of devices, wait until it's done connecting. Tap on message notice, turn it on if it's disabled, and now you can turn on and off the notifications for specific applications. And how it works is basically if you turn on notifications, let's say for SMS, and you receive the notification from SMS on your iPhone, and that notification will be also forwarded to your watch. But if you want to enable, or rather if you disable it, right here, the notification won't be forwarded to your watch, you will see it only on your iPhone. And if you want to enable the notifications for the app that is not on this list, you need to enable the notifications for other. And what this option does, it basically turns on the notifications for the apps that are not on this list. Okay, and once you're done with the message notice, you can go back to the main page of settings, basically to this page. Tap on incoming call and reminders, and you can also turn on the notifications for the calls, basically. And once you're done customizing the settings for your notifications, you should be able to receive them. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got the notification on our iPhone and also on our watch, which means it is working. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.